Okay, so what I want to show you here is how to create a cutout of this drawing. So if I come in here and I trace around the outside, let me zoom in too far. This is going to be like almost like a cookie cutter where I am drawing around the outside of this shape. And come over here. And you can see that I don't see the part from down below. So I might have to turn my fill, turn the opacity down, I guess. We'll do that so we can actually see it. So now when I come in here and I'm going to trace the inside, when I'm doing the inside here, what I'm looking at is trying to get this thing so it follows the inside of the open spot. So I'm tracing on the inside of these little pieces here. You see here, there we go. And so now I have all these, but you really can't see through them. In order to make this background stick through and keep with, we're going to use what they call the Pathfinder, which if you don't know where that is, window, all the way down to the bottom, keep going, there's the Pathfinder. And I already have it open. And so once I have the Pathfinder open, if I select all the layers that I'm using right here, instead of finding the paths like we did with the rotational tool the other day, we're going to look at the shape modes. And if you hit the unite, what that does is that unites everything, creates one shape out of all those shapes. We don't want to do that one. The next one is going to minus the front. So whatever is on top is going to be cut through the bottom. So if I hit this, it's basically taking that stuff and making it disappear. And what the cool thing is, if I click on this anchor, as I bring this one around, you'll notice that it again adds that color back to it. So it's a continuous thing where it's not one time and then I have to redo something. It automatically will readjust as I adjust these anchor points if I need to. So if you have more than one layer, there's one right here that looks like that. You could do maybe on the eyes, the same kind of thing where you trace on the inside of each of these and then just cut them out using the same technique. Or you can cut them out individually as you go through the whole process.